your mouth, Oscar. Oh, it looks like you're smoking a cigarette. Did you find a cigarette in your seeds? Yeah, and what else happened? What? What? Go on. Yeah? He said what? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Is it true? Are you just pulling... Wait. I mean, now that you have your bigger house, I don't know what to believe. Is this true? Is it true? And where did you get that cigarette? No, I'm serious. What? Are you mad? I didn't do anything. Oh, for reals? For reals? You're banging on the cage? What does that mean? Oscar and Gray. Oscar actually is being really nice. Gray? What's wrong? You want more seeds? Is that what it is? I've never seen you act like this before. Do you have anything else to say to me? For reals. Is that how it's going down? I can't even believe we're having this discussion. I take good care of you. You have a variety of seeds, pellets, millet muffins, a 2-story, 3-story condominium cage, and I brought it in a box. So you and your boyfriend lover, Oscar, could cohabitate, which you do every day. Okay, I'm going to leave you now. Yeah, I'm totally leaving and walk away from the situation because you're being kind of rude. All right? Gray, goodbye.